Hello children, how are you all? Welcome in your English class with your book Pebbles of Grammar Class 7 by Magic Mind from Galaxy Publications. Let's start chapter number 17, Conjunctions. A conjunction is a word used to join words, group of words or sentences. So conjunction वो word होता है बच्चों जो sentences को या फिर words को या group of words को जोड़ने का काम करता है. Examples देखते हैं. It was raining and a cold breeze was blowing. Connecting two sentence. कौन connect कर रहा है? And. The man is poor but he is honest. Connecting two sentences. Bread and egg is my favorite breakfast. Connecting two words. Okay. So यहाँ पर हम देखेंगे kinds of conjunctions. Conjunctions can be classified into three kinds. Coordinating conjunctions, subordinating conjunctions and correlative conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions हैं. A coordinating conjunction is a conjunction that is used to join two independent statements of the same level or class. Same level के दो statements को अगर आपने जोड़ना है एक साथ तो आप उसे coordinating conjunction की help से जोड़ते हैं. Her work is slow, but she is confident. God made the earth and man divided it. Coordinating conjunction are of four types: addition, contrast, choice, reasoning. Okay? So, coordinating conjunction of addition add one statement to another. ये addition जो है वो एक statement को दूसरे से जोड़ती है और कुछ coordinating conjunctions हैं and, both and, as well as, no less than, not only but also. It was raining heavily and we were drenched. It was raining heavily, we were drenched. So इसको हमने add किया है और and के through इसे जोड़ा है. Dhruv is both a writer and a poet. Dhruv is a writer, he is a poet. The mother as well as her daughter is sweet. So अब इसको अगर हम अलग करेंगे तो बनेगा the mother is sweet, her daughter is sweet. Gaurav no less than, Saurav is to blame. Gaurav is to blame, Saurav is equally to blame. He is no less hardworking than his father. He is hardworking, his father is equally hardworking. The toilet soap is not only good but also cheap. The toilet soap is good, it is cheap. अब चलते हैं कंट्रास्ट की तरफ. कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शन ऑफ कंट्रास्ट शो कंट्रास्ट बिटवीन टू स्टेटमेंट्स. ओके, सम कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शंस आर बट, स्टिल, येट, नेवरदलेस, वेयरएज, व्हाइल, ओनली. एग्जाम्पल्स अगर हम देखेंगे तो वो हैं इट वॉज अ टेरेबल हेल स्टॉर्म बट देयर वर नो कैजुअलिटीज. सो इट वॉज अ टेरेबल हेल स्टॉर्म and there were no casualties. She was shocked, still she remained calm. या फिर she was shocked yet she remained calm. अगर इसे अलग करेंगे तो बनेगा she was shocked, she remained calm. The fruits are expensive, nevertheless they are fresh. The fruits are expensive, they are fresh. She is modern and fashionable whereas her mother is very traditional. She is modern and fashionable, her mother is traditional. He is highly qualified, only he is inexperienced. He is highly qualified, he is inexperienced. Coordinating conjunction of choice देखेंगे. यहाँ पर ये हमें choice देता है. Offer a choice between two alternatives. Some coordinating conjunctions or, either or, neither nor, otherwise, else. You must work or you will starve. So you must work, you will starve. Either work sincerely or leave the job. Work sincerely, leave the job. The food is neither tasty nor fresh. The food is not tasty, it is not fresh. Switch on the TV, otherwise you will miss the match. Switch on the TV, else you will miss the match. Switch on the TV, you will miss the match. Coordinating conjunctions of reasoning suggest an inference or a reason. ये एक रीजन हमें बताते हैं. She is excited for she is going to a hill station. She is excited she is going to a hill station. अब आते हैं हम subordinating conjunctions पर. A subordinating conjunction introduces the subordinate clause and joins it to the main sentence. ये एक subordinate clause को main sentence से जोड़ती हैं. We caught the train although we started late. In this sentence, although we started late is a subordinate clause because it cannot stand on its own. अगर हम ये बोलेंगे कि although we started late तो हमें समझ नहीं आएगा, इसलिए ये होगा subordinate clause. So although is a subordinating conjunction. Some coordinating conjunctions are after, although, as, because, before, have, if, once, since, then, that, though, till, until, when, where, whether, while. Time. Time के लिए हम यूज करेंगे when, whenever, before, after, till, since, as soon as, while, as. इसके कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स यहाँ पर दिए हुए हैं बच्चों, आप इन्हें पढ़ेंगे. आपके लिए मैं 2 एग्जाम्पल्स पढ़ रही हूँ. We felt relieved when the exams was over. So ये टाइम के बारे में बता रहा है. She greets me politely whenever she meets me. So आप देख रहे हो यहाँ एक सबऑर्डिनेट जो क्लॉज है वो मेन सेंटेंस से ऐड हो रहा है. ओके, रेस्ट ऑफ द एग्जाम्पल्स यू विल रीड योरसेल्फ. हम आ जाते हैं प्लेस पर. वेयर, वेयरएवर. He found the book where he had left it. The lamb follows Mary wherever she goes. Then reason. Reason के लिए हम use करते हैं because, since और as का. He is upset because he has gone bankrupt. Mother couldn't buy groceries since the shops were closed. He did not get the job as he did not qualify the interview. अब result पर आते हैं. So that, such that. He is so tired that he cannot walk anymore. There was such confusion that we couldn't buy the tickets. Purpose पे आएंगे. So that least should. We eat so that we may live. We work that we may earn our livelihood. We walk fast lest you should miss the train. Note देखेंगे. So that suggests result. Okay. Prices have risen so much that the middle classified it difficult to make both ends meet. Okay, so ये results को suggest करते हैं. So that suggests purpose. ये purpose भी बताते. We are saving money so that we can go on a trip in the vacation. Condition पे आएंगे. If, unless you will achieve success if you work hard. You cannot go abroad unless you have a passport. Contrast, though, although, yet, even if. They are honest, though they are poor. Although he was insulted, yet he did not take offense. Comparison के लिए as और then का use करते हैं. Sonal is as intelligent as her sister is. Sonal is more intelligent than her sister. Manner के लिए as if. She did as she was instructed. She looked as if she was ill. अब आते हैं हम correlative conjunctions पर. Correlative conjunctions are paired word that can connect cases of the same level or class. So ये paired word होते हैं जो connect करते हैं same level और class के sentences को. When we use a correlative conjunction, its 2 parts are placed immediately before the words to be connected. जैसे कि he insulted not only me but my father also. Main correlative conjunctions हैं either or. You either work hard or lose your job. Neither Deepak nor Mohan is dishonest. Although they are rich, they are not proud. He suffers much pain, yet he does not complain. Both end. She is both deaf and dumb. He is both polite and humble, such as This is not such a book as I would enjoy reading. Mother bought such vegetable as she wanted, such was the shock of her son's death that she became numb with grief. So as he is not so hardworking as we think, as this song is as old as the hills, as you sow, so shall you reap. So that she was crying so bitterly that there were tears in everybody's eyes. Scarcely, iska matlab hardly had we entered the house when the power went off. मतलब कि मुश्किल से ही हम घर में घुसे ही थे जब लाइट चली गई. Not only but also the summers are not only hot but humid also. No sooner do the clouds appear in the sky than the peacocks begin to dance. No sooner did we enter the school than the bell rang. Okay, now let's practice conjunctions. Fill in the blanks with appropriate conjunctions. The scriptures teach us that desires lead to sorrow. The boy looked as if he had seen a ghost. Ranjit ran fast lest he fell down. His behavior was so rude, everybody was shocked. We learned French before Latin after school. We were overjoyed because India won the World Cup cricket in 2011 when the rain was over the sun showered out again. They are poor, so they cannot afford to send their children to school. Exercise B. Fill in the blanks with appropriate conjunctions. Whether is he foolish or also obstinate. Live well so that you may die in peace. Rest of the sentence, children, you will read yourself. Fill in the blanks with one of the conjunction given in the bracket. The lady took off her shawl as soon as she entered the guest house. Make hay while the sun shines. Tell her that Raj will come. He behaved as a brave man should. Keep walking until you reach the destination. Unless you tell the truth, you will be punished. He tried his best but failed to clear the exam. They came out after the house caught fire. The vase will break if you drop it. Rewrite these sentences using the conjunction given in the brackets. So Rita and Geeta were present in the meeting. आप इन्हें कैसे बनाएंगे बच्चों? Rita as well as Geeta were present in the meeting. You will fail unless you work hard. You will fail if you do not work hard. These vegetables are both cheap and fresh. These vegetables are not only cheap but also fresh. My grandfather is very old but he enjoys good health. Although my grandfather is very old but enjoys good health. इसी तरह से आप इन सभी सेंटेंस को खुद से बनाइए. Join the following sentences using the conjunctions given below. And like classical music, she hates modern music. And like classical music, but she hates modern music. The man is poor, he is contented. So, the man is poor yet he is contented. Mother was not at home, father was not home. Neither mother nor father was at home. The drummer played the drum, the girls danced merrily. The drummer played the drum and the girls danced merrily. Duty calls us, we must obey. Since duty calls us, we must obey. बाकी के भी sentences बच्चों आप इसी तरह से join करेंगे conjunctions को use करके. So children, this chapter ends here. I hope that you have understood it. Thanks for watching. See you soon.